Alright, so I just made these two little brackets. And then I cut the, well, I didn't cut the bottom ones, but I did cut the top ones because they're closer to the radiator. But I did cut, there's this thing right here, this like bracket, and it goes up behind this, and there's a screw that comes out this way, and I cut that fucking screw off, excuse my French, and then I notched right there out of the radiator, or the, yeah, well, it's basically a radiator. Anyway, yeah, just reattached everything, and so far so good, no leaks, and it's massive compared to the other one. Didn't have to relocate the horns, didn't have to move them out of the way. Oh yeah, on the back of this I did find a little nut in my giant sack of nuts to replace that with, but well, to secure it. So I did have to remove this. Came out kind of easy. It's not in there the greatest, but it wasn't before anyway. Just pull these out, remove the old radiator, detach the top, well, mount this, then detach the old transmission cooler. I keep saying radiator because it's way bigger than a normal transmission cooler, so yeah. And then I got my 3 mount points, one there and then 2 here. I need to paint this, but I don't know, I might not. I'm kind of lazy. I painted the top one, but then I got excited and I was like, all right, I'm going. So that's it. Fairly simple. I'll report back and let everybody know what it's like when I'm towing. That's what I'm going to be towing, is a little guy Mini Max. So sweet. And it's like been super hot in Texas, and today it's been a nice cool day, so I've been real lucky. But anyway, take care everybody. Peace.